Well, perhaps you made it out today. The Olmsted County Fair in Rochester is officially underway. It's actually happening right now.
That's right. Our Noah Kaplan was there this afternoon. He got to eat some awesome cheese curds, and he joins us now. Noah, what else did you find?
The cheese curds were great, Zach and Cammie. Well, the Olmsted County Fair had a variety of different vendors and activities this year. We learned a little more about some of the more interesting parts of the fair today. There's much to see at the Olmsted County Fair this week, and also much to learn. Our tour began with 4-H kids showing their animals, featuring an alpaca named Yoshi.
We're going to be going through obstacles that you see in the real world and just some fun random obstacles that the judge puts out for you. And the other thing that you'll be doing is showcasing your alpaca to the judge and showing how much you know about the alpaca.
We then headed over to a fresh squeezed lemonade stand, which has been a part of the fair for more than 20 years. The money raised by the stand helps put the owner's daughters through college.
So I think that was kind of how he started the business, and he made them work it, and they got to help pay for their own college that way.
Our next stop, a brand new vendor.
And to be on this side of the counter, trying to figure out how to serve the people rather than which booth I want to stop at to satisfy my needs. It's a challenge. It's a fun challenge.
The couple says they ended up working a stand by coincidence, talking to a board member about their daughter's wedding.
Asked him if he had any advice for getting into the fair with a vendor, and he asked what I had for product that I was vending, and I told him kettle corn, and he said, well, we would be very interested in having you this year.
Along with rides, vendors, and animals here at the fair, you can also learn how to curl via the Curling Club of Rochester. They just taught me how to do it, so I'm going to show you. My instructor tells me the fair is a great time to teach new people how to curl.
Honestly, it's an opportunity to just expose as many people as possible who want to learn the sport of curling in a nice, safe environment. It's not competitive, it's just an opportunity. Come on in, try it out, see if you like it.
Now those are just a few of the many attractions, as there was also live music and many carnival games. The fair is free to attend, but parking and rides will cost some money. I must say the kettle corn was also really good, Zach and Cammie, so you should go try it.
Is that John Schuster, the curler out there? Man.
Might have to. The Winter Olympics are only a couple months away. We might have to get ready and try curling. Gotta go learn.
Good job, Noah.
Yeah, thanks. Well, you've probably seen